Alright, for the next problem, we're going to try to solve the matrix equation xyz times a 3 by 3 minus a 1 by 3 equals a 1 by 3. Now all of this should add up because a 1 by 3 times a 3 by 3 is going to give us a 1 by 3 minus a 1 by 3 equals a 1 by 3. All of the sizes make sense. Now I'm going to solve this like I would solve any equation not involving matrices by isolating the term with variables and then dividing out what I need to get to the variable matrix. So first thing I need to do is add this to the other side. So if I add 3 times the matrix 3, 2, negative 2, and we know that that's just 3 times 3, which is 9, 3 times 2 is 6, and 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. We're going to get x, y, z times this matrix here, which is negative 2, 0, 3, 1, 2, 0, 3, 4, negative 1. Now I'm going to leave some space because I'm going to throw an inverse in there. Equals 3 and 9 is 12. 8 and 6 is 14. Negative 1 and negative 6 is negative 7. Now, in order to solve this, what I would normally do is I would divide this matrix over, but we don't have matrix division. Instead, what we have is matrix inverse multiplication. So if I multiply both sides by negative 2, 0, 3, 1, 2, 0, 3, 4, negative 1, inverse, so negative 2, 0, 3, 1, 2, 0, 3, 4, negative 1. And I have to be mindful of right and left-sided multiplication because multiplication is not commutative under matrices. So if I'm multiplying this inverse on the right, which is what I have to do, I can't multiply it on the left, I need to multiply it on the right over here. Think about it another way. I can't multiply it on the left side of this because the multiplication just wouldn't work. It would be a 3 by 3 times a 1 by 3. So we've established that that kind of multiplication isn't possible. So we're going to get xyz times this. Well, when a matrix is multiplied by its inverse, you just get the identity matrix, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. And over here, I'm going to hold off a bit, put a dot, 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 and anything times the identity matrix is itself. So x, y, z is going to equal, now let's do this multiplication. Now for this inverse, I encourage you to use your calculator. Just plug this into matrix A, this into matrix B, and then do A, B, inverse. And when you do, you'll get the matrix negative 2, 5, and 1. So x is negative 2, y is 5, and z is 1.